Hello, I'm Philip Preston, President of PolyScience. It's been a long time since we've had the opportunity to meet face to face. And trust me when I say there is nothing that makes our sales team happier than to be out on the road meeting with our customers. As you are all aware, COVID has changed how we meet and do business, and for better or worse, it's our new normal at PolyScience.
Thank you for calling PolyScience. Amanda speaking. How can I
We have
help you?
had many calls and comments about why we are not at trade shows, even though many are beginning to reopen again, and why our team isn't traveling. And the simple answer is safety. But it's more than that. As you're aware, some challenges, including strained supply chain, increased delivery times, and even staffing issues, have become part of our new world normal. Our focus at PolyScience is to be able to be available to you when you need us. Sales, customer service, shipping, and manufacturing. In an effort to do that, we are all here at our home offices, in the factory, and answering the phones, making sure that when you place an order, it gets manufactured in accordance with our high-quality standards and delivered to you as promptly as possible. Feel free to send us an email, reach out to us on social media, or simply pick up the phone and we'll be there for you. Thank you for your continued support.